Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do our mini Mondays. This is the last mini Mondays of September, and I cannot wait to do our reallocation. I'm super excited about that. So we have an extra special surprise-ish, kind of. We have our 50 singles, and I have $20 in Spicy Fives because I want to get some of these finished to go towards our reallocation to our sinking funds. All right. So we're going to move this to this side. No, we're not. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. It's just, I'm like new or something. I don't know. All right. Oh my goodness. Okay. We're just going to put this off to the side here. And we currently have 7 challenges. And for October, we're going to go down to 6 for sure. So we're going to go with our 3-sided die. And no, maybe I do want it over there. I think I do. I'm telling you, I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I don't know. Okay. All right. Sorry, I'm a little all over the place. Okay. Apologize. We are going to get started. We're going to roll a 3-sided die. And we are starting on challenge number 2. This is the most I think I've ever put into my mini Mondays. So I'm really excited about that, to see what we can get done with that $70. So hopefully we'll get a few of these done that need to be done. Hopefully everybody's weekend was great. It is actually Friday for me, so filming it a little bit early because I know I need to get my reallocation video done. So we're trying to get a little bit ahead of schedule. Right. I know that I've seen 3 of the Spicy Fives, so and I know challenge number 6 has gotten 2 of them. So hopefully that's one that is going to be finished. Oh, and it also looks like challenge number 2 is getting 2 5s as well. That's kind of rude, guys. All right, perfect. So we are going to move our paperclip to number 5 for next week. And we'll move you. All right, this is exciting. I'm super duper stoked to see what we get. And I also have my buyback cash. I have $50 in 10s and 5s. So let's get started. All right, challenge number 1 is our budget with Carly. We do have the dollar rollover. And it saved us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to continue with a dollar rollover. And I'm going to swap that out. So we have 2, 4, and 6. Perfect. We are almost halfway done. And this has saved us so far 5, 10, 11, and 12, and 13 really. But we'll go ahead and swap this out for the 10. Oh my goodness, I am sorry. Oh my gosh, all the technical difficulties. I apologize. Okay. All right, and challenge number 2 is our 30 envelope challenge helper. And it got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's see what we needed to get to 19. We have 5. Okay. So we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. All right, so that one is completed. And we have $3. We're going to leave that over here for rollover. to see if there's any others that we can finish. All right, and then challenge number 3. I do have another challenge in there to start. All right, and this challenge is from Buttercup Budgets. And today it saved us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and $8. And we needed $2, $4, $5, and $6 to finish. All right, let's see. 5. We needed 6. And let's see what this has saved us. Oh my goodness. Okay. We're struggle busting it a little bit. All right. So Buttercup Budgets has saved us 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, and 28. Perfect. Beautiful, beautiful. Love it. Love it. All right, and we have $2 left over, and I'm going to make each of these icons $2. So we'll go ahead and cover one of these in. This is going to go to our Sam's Club, obviously. And this is from Kimmy's Budget on Etsy. It's from her Etsy shop. It was a digital download because I want to make sure we are putting money away for Sam's Club shopping because we are a family of 6, so we go there quite often. All right, and this one is from Budget with Amanda. This one saved us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. I think that's more than enough what we needed to finish. So we needed 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Perfect. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And we'll put those couple dollars there. All right, and I will speed you guys up. I'm going to collect these in really quick. All right, so Budget with Amanda has saved us 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. All right, so we have $31. I hope that is correct. Awesome, awesome. Let's get another challenge in there. And then we'll see. Okay. All right, we're going to go with the floating funds. Okay. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put floating funds in there. And we'll see what we can do with those. The rollover money. Okay. And then challenge number 5 is budgeting with Lisa. And this saved us today 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And this one just needed $9 to finish. So you know what we're gonna do. We're gonna pull $1 and we're gonna finish it. Heck yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you know, I normally don't finish this many challenges in one day, but because this is the last Monday of the month, I wanted to end September strong. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Any little bit of extra money that I had was going to today. All right, and we're gonna go in with another floating funds for October. It likely came from her Ko-fi as well. Coffee. Everybody says Ko-fi, but I think it's coffee. I don't know. It is what it is, I suppose. All right, and challenge number 6 is from Budget with Liz. All right, and this one got our 2 spicy 5s. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So that is, each of these is $2. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16. So that's about halfway done. All right, and so far this one has saved us, if I can get my life together. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Yeah, it's about halfway. All right, we got one more challenge left. Hopefully. All right, and this challenge comes to us from Divine Savings Co. And it has saved us $1, 2, 3, 4, and $5. Okay, we have 2, 4, and then just 5. Unfortunately, this one is not going to be done today. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Swap that out. So this one has saved us 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, and 3. So 23 so far. And then so left over we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and $5. This one won't be finished with $5. Let's see if we have anything else that can be finished with $5. Right, so all right. So nothing, unfortunately, nothing is going to be finished with $5. That's kind of a bummer, but it is what it is. All right, so I have this mini that I'm going to put in number 2, but I'm not sure who it was from. Is it from a coffee shop? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15. So we'll go ahead and... Okay. Sorry, I am a hot mess express, you guys. I apologize. All right, 3, doom. Okay. No, we know. Wait. I'm going to do this one for 18. And I will just put the 5s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in here with this one. All right, so that is good for today. We are going to put in our $19 into our 30 envelope challenge. If I can get it out. Sorry. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and color in 19. Okay. So we are chucking away at this. We are getting there. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Going in. That's exciting. I cannot wait to finish this. Okay. And this one will save us all together. I think it's $465. Yeah, $465. But I also have 2 bonus envelopes in here. We will get to those later. But, oh, yes, we have to put these in. So we have finished 3 challenges. All right, so we're going to put our $1 into our completed savings challenge envelope. And I did have to get I got a new bag for our finished savings challenges. We're going to put these in. All right, guys, thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.